Isn't it calling? Yes. And indeed, it was so interesting. Very delicious. It is called Tropezienne. The French call it Tropezienne. So relax and let's go into making this rosette. So in that bowl already, I've got my yeast mixed with dry yeast, mixed with warm milk, and I'm going in with the flour, all-purpose flour. That's what I used. The sugar there, and the salt. One side, guys. Let's mix it up. Yeah, if you watched my last video, it was all about unboxing a machine, kitchen robot, a mixer that I got for some time. You can watch the video to see it. And I told you guys my reason for unboxing it that day after I had it for like I think 2 years or 3 years, I can't remember again. It was because of my girl who traveled for 5 days. So eventually I promised I was gonna show you guys how when I'll make the video. And here comes the video. Mixing the ingredients I have in there. And right away I'm adding the butter. Guys, I tried this. It was my first time of using the machine, and it was somehow, I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it. I wasn't sure, but anyhow, it was very delicious. It came out good. The butter I've added, I'm mixing up. Guys, let me welcome you. Thank you for coming back to watch. Please, if you are new, if you're coming for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and get the bell notification activated so you get our videos. We are done here. We are done mixing the dough. I'm transferring it into a bowl. After transferring it into this bowl, I covered it with plastic film very well, and I left it in the fridge for 2 hours 30 minutes. Yes, 2 hours 30 minutes. And this is it after 2 hours 30 minutes in the fridge. Guys, my daughter disturbed me about this cake. She was telling me, Mommy, there's this cake I bought one day from a shop. It was so creamy. It was so delicious. Hey, she said, Mommy, buy. And I'm the type that I don't like buying anything, all these sugary pastries. I don't really like buying them much from the shops. I prefer making it myself. So now I had to mix it up to take away the air that was still inside the dough. I mixed and remixed and let it go. Yeah, right away inside this pan, I am transferring it, as you can see. Hey, oh my gosh, this cake, I'm gonna do it again and again and again. Yes. So I'm spreading it right away, making sure it's well spread in the pan. And after that, after that, I covered it again with the transparent film and I allowed it to stay for 1 hour. This time around, outside the fridge for 1 hour. So this is it after 1 hour outside the fridge. Yeah, it's ready to be, you know, I used herbs, the yellow part of the herb to like rub apply on top of the dough to make it shiny, to make it shine. Mhm. And this is sugar, largely granulated sugar. Just putting it on top of the dough. Are you still watching up to this level? My warm thanks to you. And for those of you who have not subscribed, it is the right time to click to touch that red button for subscription and get the bell notification activated. Yeah guys, the brioche is out. Isn't brioche in English? In French we say brioche. That is the bread. This, what I did was just bread. The cream did not come out the way I wanted it to be. Yeah, I was making the cream and along the line it's just kind of, it fell, as in it was, you know how cream used to be, you know, firm. But along the line it came down. But nevertheless, it didn't affect the taste. So the taste remained intact and hi, delicious. So guys, tell me, are you going to try this recipe? Tropezienne. Tropezienne in French. Which should be Tropezienne in English. So tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Thanks and bye.